Hi, in this short video I'm gonna show you how to knit cables. I have here a piece with both knitted cables front and back on a pearl stitch background. So first I'm gonna show you today how to knit cables with holding stitches at front. The pattern I'm gonna show you is cable 6 front. The 6 means that it is a 6 stitch wide cable, and with these kind of cables you will be holding half of the stitches on a cable needle when doing the cable itself. So here let's make this cable 6 front, and first what you need is an additional needle. It can be a special cable needle or just a double pointed needle. I'm knitting 2 stitches that are not part of the cable, and now next slipping the next 3 stitches on a cable needle to hold at the front of the work. So when I have the 3 stitches on the cable needle, I'm gonna knit the remaining 3 stitches of the cable. So going into the first, second and third stitch I have here on my left hand needle. So after knitting the 3 stitches from my main needle, I will then switch to the stitches that I was holding at the front of the work and will knit them in the same manner. So this is one cable 6 front done. So let's make it once again. I have a few purl stitches there that are separating these cables, and I have another 6 stitch wide cable here, and I'm gonna do the same thing, first slipping the 3 stitches on a cable needle and holding at the front of the work. So I will now knit the 3 stitches I had on my main needle, and you can knit them from your cable needle or put the stitches from your cable needle back to the main needle. So I did the first cable in one way. Here I'm slipping them on my main needle as it is more comfortable for me to knit in this way. So knitting the remaining 3 stitches that I was holding at the front of the work, and here I have 2 cables done. So with cables usually on the wrong side, they are worked in purl and knitted stitches depending how they are facing to you. So quickly here working back on the wrong side row, and additionally few rows to see how these cables form out. So cables always need some additional rows on top so you could actually see the twists. So now I'm gonna show you how to cable 6 back. For that I'm gonna take my additional needle and slip the 3 first stitches on my cable needle, and when the pattern names the cable back, it means that you will be holding the stitches at the back of the needle when knitting the next 3 stitches off from your left hand needle. So knitting the 3 stitches from the cable needle and then 2 stitches that I have between the cables. Now let's make this cable 6 back once again, slipping the 3 stitches from my needle to the cable needle, working next 3 from my left hand needle and slipping the cable needle stitches back on my working needle to finish up the cable. So ending the row with few purl stitches to show you how it ends up. And here once again you will need additionally few rows on top of this cable row to see how these cables form out. So working back on the wrong side row and showing you the result. So I hope you found this video helpful. These cables can be worked in different amount of stitches in different manners and combining them. So really cool technique to master.